So this is the Expert ratchet made by Mac. It's the one we've always tested, and so far it's been the toughest. But now we got it in the exact same setup as we did the Snap-on, so we're gonna see which ones hold up better. So that's what happens when they slip. Anyhow, I bet it still works.
Yeah.
So that's what happens when the handle slips off. All right, so we got this one reset up. We got a little tension on it already, but that's fine. Hopefully it doesn't come flying off again. Oh, yeah, it is. So it's still tightening that socket. So we've already broke the Snap-on ratchet, and this one is literally still tightening the bolt. Yeah. All right, so we have this set up for the third time. We put the vice grips on it this time so it doesn't fly off into space. Here we go. There's the button. Alrighty. So we yanked on that one 3 times, but it did end up breaking at about 455, which is the same as the Snap-on one. So I guess Snap-on makes a good product, but it's almost 3 times as expensive as that one. So that's the problem. Alright,